My journey to Maui, Hawaii is forever etched in my memory. The very mention of the island conjures up images of pristine beaches, lush landscapes, and warm sunshine. Yet, the stark reality of the devastating Maui wildfire that tore through the town of Lahaina has left a somber mark on my recollections. It was on my 50th birthday that I embarked on my latest adventure to Lahaina. Little did I know that this trip would carve itself into my heart in a way I could never have anticipated. The news of the wildfire that engulfed the town and claimed numerous lives was a gut-wrenching revelation. As I saw the images of destruction and heard the stories of bravery and loss, my heart went out to the people of Maui. Amidst the turmoil of the news, I found myself reminiscing about the time I spent in Lahaina. The old fort, built in 1820 to safeguard the locals from whalers, stood as a testament to the island's history. Its weathered stones seemed to echo with the stories of the past, the lives lived, and the resilience of the people who called Maui home. As I flipped through the photographs I took during my visit, I couldn't help but reflect on the contrast between the joyful moments I captured and the devastation that now gripped the island. The images of serene sunsets and vibrant markets seemed almost surreal against the backdrop of the tragedy that had befallen Lahaina. The beauty of Maui and its people had already struck a chord with me, but now, in the wake of the wildfire, the connection ran even deeper. The town that I had celebrated in is now in the process of healing, and the missing bodies cast a haunting shadow over the recovery efforts. The news reports, while tragic, also showcases the strength and unity of the community as they come together to rebuild their lives. Photography has the power to freeze moments in time, and as I looked at the picture I had taken of the old fort, I realized that it wasn't just a snapshot of history but a reminder of the resilience that defines the spirit of Maui. The past and the present intertwined, showing that even in the face of heartbreak, the island and its people would persevere. My visit to Maui had been a celebration of life, but it had also become a poignant reminder of the fragility of existence. The old fort, with its storied past, stood as a symbol of strength and protection, a sentiment that resonated deeply with the people who were now rebuilding their lives and their community. As I reflect on that time in Maui, my heart remains heavy for those who have been affected by the wildfire, and I hold on to the hope that the island will find its way back to a place of healing and renewal. The photograph of the old fort serves as a tribute to the past and a beacon of hope for the future, capturing both the history and the heart of Maui in a single frame.